Typography text manipulation in Photoshop.
Create your workspace with this canvas size. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Go to Select and choose Subject to remove the background of the image. Add a layer mask and then convert the image to Smart Object. Choose the text tool and write your text. That is the name of the fonts I am using. Press Ctrl T and choose Warp. Then adjust the text accordingly and make sure it fits in the image. Press Ctrl J to make a copy and drag it over above the text. Then follow this process. Choose the main image layer and create a layer mask. Choose the layer mask thumbnail and press Ctrl I to invert. Choose the Add Run brush and follow this process. Now let's remove this black color appearing behind the image. Choose the primary image layer thumbnail and go to Select and choose Subject. After the selection, choose the text layer and create a layer mask.